Today I am going to show you how to smoke a chuck roast on your pellet smoker. First I want to show you what I'm going to do to season it up. Get it ready here. I'm going to take it out of my bag. I've talked to you about this before. I want to talk to you about it again. These are the vacuum seal bags. I bought this on 6/1 of 2022. I put them in my vacuum seal bags, seal them up, put them in my freezer, and I pull them out and flow them out whenever I'm ready for them. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for that vacuum sealers. I got here a 2-pound chuck roast. Now, I got some red wine. I have here some Worcestershire sauce. And I have some olive oil. Get that in there. Then I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of garlic. Put that in there. Get your hands in there. They go all nice and happy. Push it in there real good. You want that meat to try to absorb as much of that seasoning as you can. Now, I have here some of my homemade barbecue rub that I like to put on everything. On this side, I'm going to take it out of here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this right on my smoker at 250 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and season the other side of it now. I'm going to let that sit for about an hour like that, and then we're going to turn it. Let it sit for cook another hour. Then we're going to go ahead and take it off. We're going to wrap it, and we're going to put it back on there in some aluminum foil. All right, we're back here with that chuck roast. I want to see how that's looking. Oh yeah, that's looking great. All right, we'll give it one flip. Now I'm looking for between medium and medium well on this cook. We're getting some really good flavors from the smoke. That red wine is really going to the taste of this meat. All right, we're looking good. We got about another hour or so to go. Okay, so we've had that chuck roast on there now for about an hour and a half. We're going to take it out, take a look at it. Look at that, just dripping with flavor. Close that up. Oh my gosh. That seasoning on there is just fantastic. Alright, we're going to hit it one more time with a little bit more of my rub. Get some aluminum foil here. Wrap this up. And we'll put it in there for about another hour. The reason why I'm putting it inside the tray here is I want to try to collect all those juices that are coming out now. That fat rendering down there is going to make a really nice gravy.